Everyone was expecting a strong run-up after yesterday's rip-rolling rally, but it seems that the market seems to have exhausted themselves, and by the day's close, we just about hung on to 6,050, and for the Sensex, off by 0.2%. For the broader markets, particularly for the mid-cap index, it saw a deep gash by the day's close to end of the lowest point of the day, off by almost 0.5%, flat for the small-cap index. It was healthcare stocks which have been gaining trajectory over the past many days that sold off. Metals as a pack was also very weak. You had IT and technology, though, which held their head high. JSPL was the top loser in the session, as was the Sun Pharma. NMDC looked pretty weak, and Axis Bank was also on the losers list. Some results for today, apart from PNB and Union Bank, Indian Bank put out its numbers. NII as well as PAT was below estimates, and the strong other income growth was witnessed in the quarter. Asset quality deteriorated, but there was strong deposit as well as credit growth, and the stock went on to end the day higher. You had a Godrej Properties which also put out its numbers. Profits higher by 33% at 53 crores. The top line growth was lower by 9.3%, and the margins came in at 35% this time around. They also approved a rights issue of up to 700 crores. Usha Martin put out its numbers. Profit growth at higher by almost 50% at 22 crores, and the top line growth came in lower by mere 1%, so 947 crores. The stock reacted positively. Quite a few stocks in focus today. Venus Remedies, exclusive information on that one. They plan to raise close to 1,000 crores via FCCBs and are in talks with Citi to do the same, and they will be doing that at a price of 440 rupees per share, utilizing the proceeds for research and development. Moving away from that, you had a Tulip Tele which was in focus, as it's got the formal nod for the corporate debt recast plant. Aptex soared a good 8% as the board is considering a buyback of shares, and that's going to be on the 13th of May. You had Magma Fincorp also reacted very well to its numbers, and rightly so, a 126% notch up in its profits. The income from operations were up 55%, and the management's pretty confident of maintaining this trajectory. Viceroy Hotels was also in focus, as it plans to sell its Chennai project division for 480 crore rupees, and that's really going to give a big boost to the company, so 20% higher. Some of the other big gainers, banking as a whole really contributed, as it is IT as pointed out, so PNB and SBI gained. HCL Technologies was also in the limelight on the upside, and Ambuja Cements higher by 1.5%.